How to assign a moderator for TikTok Live. How to add moderators on TikTok Live. Hi guys and welcome to a new tutorial about TikTok app. Today we will show you how to add moderators to your TikTok Live so these moderators can help you control your content, manage comments, and assist you during the live stream. If you want to add moderators to your account, follow the steps. Open the TikTok app and tap on the plus icon at the bottom of the screen. Scroll and tap on the live section. Please note that this option may not be available for everyone. But if you have access to live streaming, you can proceed to manage your moderators in the settings. If you don't have any moderators in your channel, don't worry, you can easily add them. Tap on the tap icon and you will see a list of your TikTok friends. You can also use the search option to find the specific account you're looking for. To add users as your moderators, simply tap on the option next to their name. It will show a check mark, then tap on the arrow to confirm. Congratulations, you've successfully added moderators. You can always remove them later by clicking on the same options. Now you know how to manage moderators and create full live streams. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and TikTok channels. And thank you so much for watching!